Hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to take you on a journey to one of the most exciting places in the Sunshine State. Cape Coral, Florida is booming. This city is experiencing a renaissance like no other. And I'm not just talking about the sunshine. The growth and expansion here are truly remarkable. This place is exploding with brand new homes, just begging for families to fill them with laughter and memories. Imagine the joy of moving into a fresh, new space. Imagine waking up every morning to swaying palm trees and the gentle lapping of canal waters. It's like living in a perpetual vacation. That's the magic of Cape Coral. It's a place where every day feels like a getaway. Gone are the days of cookie-cutter houses. Here, each home tells its own story. Cape Coral is all about embracing the unique, the modern, and the downright stunning. The architecture here is a feast for the eyes. We're talking sleek lines, open floor plans, and all the bells and whistles you could ever dream of. These homes are designed for the future. It's enough to make this old house flipper's heart flutter. The potential here is endless. But it's not just about the houses, folks. The community here is vibrant and full of life. Cape Coral is a community. It's a place where neighbors become friends and life is lived outdoors. Barbecues, block parties, and friendly waves are the norm. It's a place where you can enjoy the outdoors and form lasting connections. The sense of belonging here is palpable. This is a place where you can truly live the Florida dream. From the beautiful homes to the welcoming community, Cape Coral offers a lifestyle that's hard to beat. Let's talk houses, shall we? Because these aren't your grandma's Florida bungalows. Think soaring ceilings, walls of windows, and kitchens that would make any chef drool. We're talking top-of-the-line appliances, spa-like bathrooms, and enough space to swing well, you get the picture. But it's not just about looking good. These homes are built for modern living. We're talking energy efficiency, smart home technology, and all the latest and greatest features. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostat, and even your security system with just a tap on your phone. From coastal contemporary to modern farmhouse, there's a style for every taste. And with customizable options galore, you can truly make your new house your home. We all know the struggle of finding the perfect home. It's a journey filled with excitement and sometimes a bit of frustration. You search and search only to find houses that need a little too much love and a lot of work, or worse, a whole lot of demo. The dream can quickly turn into a nightmare. But here in Cape Coral, those worries are a thing of the past. Imagine moving into a home where everything is brand new. New construction means no fixer-uppers, no hidden surprises, and no compromises. Everything is just as it should be. Tired of outdated layouts and cramped spaces? Say goodbye to those old designs. These homes are designed with families in mind, offering plenty of room to grow and thrive. Open-concept living areas are perfect for entertaining, making every gathering a memorable one, while spacious bedrooms offer a peaceful retreat, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. And let's not forget those luxurious master suites. They are the epitome of comfort and style. Plus, you get the peace of mind that comes with a brand new home. Everything is up to code and ready for you. New appliances, new roof, new everything. No need to worry about repairs or replacements anytime soon. It's a fresh start in every sense of the word. Your dream home is waiting for you in Cape Coral. Section 4, Waterfront Wonders. Embrace the Cape Coral lifestyle. Here, life revolves around the water, offering a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. Now let's talk about what truly sets Cape Coral apart, the water. The city is a paradise for water enthusiasts. Imagine stepping out your back door and onto your private dock. The convenience and luxury of having direct water access cannot be overstated. Your boat is waiting, ready to whisk you away for a day of fishing, exploring, or simply soaking up the sun. The possibilities are endless. Many of these new homes boast direct Gulf access, meaning you can be out on the open water in minutes. It's perfect for spontaneous adventures. Canals wind their way through the community, creating a serene and picturesque setting. These waterways are the lifeblood of Cape Coral. Picture yourself sipping your morning coffee on your lanai, watching dolphins play in the distance. It's a daily dose of tranquility. It's not just a house, folks. It's a lifestyle that embraces the beauty and serenity of waterfront living. And it's a lifestyle that's hard to beat. From the stunning views to the endless water activities, Cape Coral offers an unparalleled living experience. Section 5. New construction, new beginnings, your slice of paradise. So what are you waiting for? Cape Coral is calling your name. These new construction homes offer the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and that laid-back Florida charm. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle, to reconnect with nature, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine waking up every day in your dream home, surrounded by beauty and endless possibilities. That's the promise of Cape Coral. Section 6. Ready to build your dreams? Don't just dream it, folks, live it! Contact us today to learn more about these incredible new homes in Cape Coral. We'll answer all your questions, show you around this slice of paradise, and help you find the perfect place to call home. Trust me, you won't regret it.